Drawing on the Right Side of the Brain by Betty Edwards. Public education and the arts. Drawing, of course, is not the only art that trains perceptual thinking. Music, dance, drama, painting, design, sculpture, and ceramics are all vitally important and should all be restored to public schools. But I'll be blunt. Even if there were the will, there is no way that will happen because it would cost too much in this era of ever diminishing resources for public education. Music requires costly instruments. Dance and drama require staging and costumes. Sculpture and ceramics require equipment and supplies. Although I wish it were otherwise, high-cost visual and performing arts programs that were terminated long ago will not be reinstated. And cost is not the only deterrent. Over the last 40 years, many educators, decision makers, and even some parents have come to regard the arts as peripheral, and let's face it, frivolous, especially the visual arts, with their connotation of the starving artist and the mistaken concept of necessary talent.